Almost nobody knows about this, but the era of repurposing posts is over. Turns out, LinkedIn has started punishing straight-up reposting. I reposted my best LinkedIn post 4 months later, and honestly, it was nothing compared to its original reach. In this video, I'll show you the one prompt though that takes your best performing post and rebuilds it into 6 new pieces of content that LinkedIn will actually distribute. If you haven't come across it yet, Taplio is a LinkedIn growth tool that now plugs straight into AI assistants like Claude and ChatGPT through the Taplio LinkedIn MCP. That means your AI can finally read your real analytics, create drafts in your account, attach images, and schedule posts. But first, let's go into why we need to do this. LinkedIn suppresses reach on posts that closely repeat something you already published, even months apart. So the classic advice to recycle your best content has actually stopped working. If you take an old post, tighten the hook, and put it back up, the algorithm reads that as a near duplicate, which means repurposing has to mean something different. And this is where there are 4 levers you can pull. Number 1, format. Text becomes slides or a visual. Number 2, structure. A framework becomes a story, or you zoom into one buried line. Number 3, stance. You argue the other side. And number 4, evidence. You prove one real use case with specific numbers. So you pull a different lever for each piece, and nothing you publish reads as a rerun. So I'm going to show you the entire workflow and how all you need is one prompt. You'll find the prompt in the description below, but I'll show it to you in action right now. We're on Claude Code, and I'm going to show you the exact prompt that I would use to repurpose my posts. Use the Taplio LinkedIn MCP, find my single best performing post from the last 6 months, run the LinkedIn repurposer skill on it, strip it back to the core insight that made it work, do not reuse my original wording. From that insight, create 6 new pieces. Each one must change a different lever. Number 1, format, a carousel. Use the LinkedIn carousel builder skill for the script, then make the slides. Number 2, format, a one-pager. Number 3, stance, a contrarian take that argues against my original conclusion. Number 4, structure, a story vision. Number 5, structure, a zoom in and make it the whole post. Number 6, evidence, a worked example. Then run the LinkedIn hook generator skill on each of the 6 to sharpen its opening line. Save them to Taplio as drafts using the Taplio LinkedIn MCP, and attach the visuals by picking them from my Taplio media library or by uploading them from my machine. So here we have the prompt, and we're going to put it into Claude. So I'm going to check in back with you guys once this has fully loaded. If you don't have an image ready for you, perhaps for the carousel, or in case you want to put other images in the other posts, you can actually ask Claude to design artifacts for you that you could then use into your posts. You could also use other MCPs like Higgsfield to actually create these images. So now we're seeing that Claude has chosen a particular post to create from, and so we're going to see how it's going to turn out those different posts. Now we see that there are 6 pieces that have been written on Taplio, so we're going to check that out shortly. But as you can see, Claude is also building the visuals first, so I'm going to take you to Taplio when all of that is ready. So now we have all of the drafts ready on Taplio, and I'm going to show you how all of these look. Here you can see that there are drafted posts. Spread these out into a 2-week horizon and schedule them for me on Taplio. Now we see that Claude has scheduled all of the posts, so let's check it out on Taplio. See here, my post schedule is defined coming from all the same posts. So that's one way that you could create 6 posts out of one post that you really liked. And I'm going to include the prompts in the description. The Taplio LinkedIn MCP takes about a minute to connect, and the Claude skills are free. So I hope you get to start your chat very soon and get to posting. Thanks!